Our planet is amazing. It provides us with everything we need, including the food we eat. But as the world's population grows, we face a huge challenge: how to feed everyone while protecting our environment. This is where sustainable agriculture comes in. Sustainable agriculture is a way of farming that's good for both people and the planet. It's all about working with nature, not against it. Imagine a world where farms are havens for wildlife, where the soil is healthy and alive, and where everyone has access to nutritious food. That's the vision of sustainable agriculture. It's about finding ways to grow more food using less resources. This means using less water, less energy, and less chemicals. It also means protecting our precious soil and water resources for future generations. Sustainable agriculture is not just a trend, it's a necessity. It's the key to feeding a growing population without destroying our planet in the process. For decades, we've relied on conventional farming methods to produce food. While these methods have been successful in increasing yields, they have also come at a cost. Conventional farming often relies heavily on chemical pesticides and fertilizers. These chemicals can pollute our waterways, harm wildlife, and even end up in our food. Intensive tilling, a common practice in conventional agriculture, can degrade the soil, leading to erosion and loss of fertility. This is like losing the foundation of our food system. The overuse of water for irrigation is another concern. We need to find ways to grow more food with less water, especially in areas facing drought. The good news is that there's a better way. Sustainable agriculture offers a path to producing the food we need while protecting our environment. Sustainable agriculture isn't just one thing. It's a collection of practices that work together to create a healthy and productive farm ecosystem. Let's explore some of these amazing tools. Crop rotation is a time-tested technique where farmers alternate the types of crops grown in a field each season. This disrupts pest cycles, improves soil fertility, and reduces the need for pesticides. Organic farming takes a natural approach, avoiding synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Instead, it focuses on building healthy soil, encouraging beneficial insects, and using natural inputs. Imagine a farm teeming with ladybugs controlling pests instead of harmful chemicals. Agroforestry integrates trees into farm landscapes. This provides shade for crops, reduces water evaporation, prevents soil erosion, and creates habitat for wildlife. It's like creating a mini forest on your farm. Integrated Pest Management, or IPM, is a holistic approach to pest control that minimizes pesticide use. It involves monitoring pest populations, using biological controls like beneficial insects, and employing other eco-friendly methods. Section 4. Nurturing our planet. The environmental triumphs of sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is a powerful force for good, offering numerous benefits for our environment. Healthy soil, healthy planet, sustainable practices like cover cropping and no-till farming help build healthy soil. Healthy soil acts like a sponge, absorbing and storing water, reducing erosion, and filtering pollutants. It's a win-win for farmers and the environment. Water-wise, by using water-efficient irrigation techniques, reducing runoff, and improving soil health, sustainable farms conserve water, a precious resource in many parts of the world. Imagine farms thriving even in drier climates. Climate champions. Sustainable agriculture helps combat climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Practices like no-till farming, cover cropping, and agroforestry sequester carbon in the soil, acting as carbon sinks. Section 5. A win-win for all. How sustainable agriculture benefits farmers, ecosystems, and food security. Sustainable agriculture isn't just good for the environment. It also creates a more resilient and equitable food system, supporting farmers, empowering communities. By reducing input costs and increasing yields over time, sustainable agriculture can improve farmer livelihoods and strengthen rural communities. It's about creating a fair and sustainable income for those who feed us. Biodiversity boost. Sustainable farms, with their diverse crops and natural habitats, provide refuge for pollinators, beneficial insects, and wildlife. Imagine farms buzzing with life, supporting healthy ecosystems. Food security for all. By building healthy soils, conserving water, and adapting to climate change, sustainable agriculture enhances food security, ensuring that everyone has access to safe, nutritious food now and in the future. Section 6. Sowing the seeds of a brighter future. Sustainable agriculture for generations to come. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet and our ability to feed a growing population. Sustainable agriculture offers a path forward, a way to nourish our bodies and our planet in harmony. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of all living things and understanding that our own well-being is intricately linked to the health of our ecosystems. When we protect our environment, we protect ourselves. By embracing sustainable agriculture, we're not just growing food, we're cultivating a brighter future for generations to come. Let's all do our part to support sustainable practices, from choosing locally grown produce to advocating for policies that promote sustainable agriculture. Together, we can create a world where everyone has access to healthy food and where our planet thrives for generations to come.